What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Cheeky Crypto Uncensored and welcome to the first meme coin Monday. Taking over this channel, we're going to try something new. Meme coin video I put out yesterday on the main channel did fantastically well. So why not give meme coins a bit more limelight? Now, meme coins are unbelievably risky. They're very high risk, but they can lead to high rewards. Before we get into this, guys, I want you to understand just how much risk is here. You do stand to lose all of your investment with these meme coins, but we have seen fantastic growth and fantastic gains with memes, personally profiting very well recently on these. So let's talk about meme coins. Potentially, let's try to do this every Monday and have a look at some meme coins. Now, in yesterday's video, I did ask for comments of some meme coins to take a look at. What are we perhaps missing out on? And a few interesting ones did come up. So I'm going to have a look at 5 meme coins for today's video. So first of all, we're going to look at 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏, the ticker WIF. First of all, what is 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏? Well, it is simply a meme coin that is inspired by the Shiba Inu wearing simply a knitted hat. Yes, that is how deep this one goes. Launched on Solana in November 2023, this one in itself has seen a fantastic amount of gains. So that rapid rise that we did see 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏 have, this one peaked above $2 early in March of 2024 and it had a fantastic first few weeks. We can see the fantastic level this has got up to, ranked 61st by its market cap of just 2.1 billion. With a circulating supply under 1 billion tokens, we can see this is at 998 million WIF tokens. So currently sitting at $2.10, up 556% for the last month. When we bring it down to the daily chart, we can see this has had a good correction so far. So like many meme coins, highly volatile and very dramatic swings in its price action. The risks are obviously tremendous with this one, but capitalizing on some of these potential moves can be very profitable. This one in itself has got a lot of social media buzz and surprisingly or unsurprisingly has a very large community pumping the narrative of WIF. This one is a meme coin that is very readily available. In my opinion, perhaps a little late to get in on. Whilst we see this already listed on so many centralized exchanges, and we can also see listed very widely on decentralized exchanges, this one will most likely still have gains in the tank, but I do think the vast amount of its gains have already been met. Now, if you want to know more about 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏, coin market cap has a very limited description. It's a meme coin, let's be honest guys, there's not much analysis we can do on this. When we do look at its chart, well, we can see the price history that we do have. On the MEXC centralized chart, just 83 days. But what we can take a note of is a few interesting moves. Now, first of all, this move from the 8th of January till around about the 10th of March as of yesterday, 3,716% in gains. Absolutely fantastic run. The stochastic position, we can see the daily is looking to cool off and an interesting level that we may see this one come on down to. If we take a trend line from the 14th of March where it did see the previous high, and we bring it down to the low we did see on the 5th of March, a bit of a swing low here, we can see a bit of confluence with equilibrium. And I do think it is a possible move to see the price come on back down towards $1.34. But again, it's a meme coin. We have to be very cautious with this. If we do expect to see a bit of a pullback, well, we can see how this one is trending its way to the upside. Can this one do another move once again? Is it impulsive? Well, potentially, if we're looking at this through Elliott Wave, we may be in a bit of an impulsive move here for 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏. Can it push up towards that $4.31 level? Potentially, but I want to stress caution. Taking the 100% move of its initial push to the upside, well, we can see we are coming up into the upper limits of a potential A, B, and C structure. So yes, there certainly is a potential for this to carry to the upside. The daily stochastic does look like it has a bit of cooling off to come, but overall, this is one that is getting a lot of attention on social media, and it could be very interesting going forward. Can it push higher up in terms of market cap? We can already see, let's go back over to CoinMarketCap. The market cap achieved is now at 2.1 billion, ranked 61st. Can this one carry on pushing to the upside? I think it's going to get quite interesting to see how much this one gets pumped going forward. Let me know in the comment section down below. Is 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗏 on your radar? Have you invested? Have you made good gains on this one? Let's get over to the second one for tonight's video. So the second one for tonight's video is another one that I find quite interesting. This meme coin is called 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗏, and this one has some very interesting terms behind it. This is the first major meme coin that is launched on Coinbase's base chain. This one might have significant potential for the reason that it is the first major meme on Base. This could be the early move advantage play on Base's meme coin network. So the mantra around this coin, well, they're hoping to capture the attention and the humor associated with it to build a strong community. The developers themselves are emphasizing on a community-driven approach, aiming to create a fun and meme-centric experience for holders. Simply put, driving that price to the upside. Very simple tokenomics with this one. We can see 999 million self-reported supply for 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗏 of its total supply of 999 million. Already having a very low market cap of just 18.8 million, ranked 2,421st by CoinMarketCap. This one is a very new meme. Only launched at the end of February, I believe it was around about the 27th. This one really started to get a bit of discovery. So far, this has seen a fantastic move from 0.03 cents. We have seen this one push as high as 2.3 cents. A fantastic move this one has had. 9,300% gains in just 1 month. Now, there isn't an available chart on TradingView for this one just yet, so I can't go into too much depth, but it does look like we are coming into an interesting area. This one is definitely on my radar to perhaps be investing in. We can see here on CoinMarketCap just how volatile this one really is, but it is an interesting one. The first major meme coin on Base. I am very intrigued by this. I must apologise, my voice is disappearing once again, but I want to urge caution once again to you all. Meme coin, extremely high risk. You do stand to lose all of your investment on these memes. For some reason, that wasn't stressed enough on Sunday night's video, even though I mentioned it 4 or 5 times. So I will mention it whenever I talk about any meme coin. These are unbelievably high risk. We have to understand that, you know, being a meme coin, these are susceptible to very volatile fluctuations in the market, but this also happens with hype. We see very vast movements to the upside when certain influencers, shall we say, like to pump these projects. And with it also being a meme coin, these do indeed have quite an uncertain future, so always have your own risk management in place with these ones. Personally, I will make an investment, I will ride it 100%, get out the initial dollar investment, and then I am living on free profits with these projects. But that is my take on it. Do not take that as financial advice, because it's simply not. That is just my approach when it comes to meme coins. So 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗏, a very interesting project. Currently sitting at 1.8 cents. It is up 23% in the last 24 hours at the time of recording. A fantastically low market cap, a lot of social hype, a lot of buzz going about on social media. Let me know, guys, have you discovered 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗏 yet? Have you invested? Have you made money? Is it one you're going to look into? Let's get on to the third one for today's video. Before we get on to the third one for today's video, I have just remembered there is a fake 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗏 on CoinMarketCap. We can see the correct 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗏 token here has the ticker 𝗕𝗓𝗪 and this symbol. the blue face with the white background. There is a separate one here listed at 3.5 cent with a blue background. This is the incorrect project with a bigger market cap, a bigger total supply, and this one was only launched today on the 11th of March. Be cautious with that. The correct one is this one at 1.9 cent with a market cap of 18.8 million. As always, guys, keep your finger on the pulse of these, do your own research and know that you're looking at the correct project. Next up today, guys, we're going to talk about the one and only Pepe. This was highly requested in the comment section of the last video. So Pepe, we have seen have a monumental beginning to life. Now we can track back on Christmas Day. This was sitting at around about 0.000001336. This has dropped a couple of decimals. This has had a fantastic run, up 789% in the last month. Pepe is quite interesting. This has obviously had a lot of hype built behind it on that run to the upside. Pepe the Frog, created as a light-hearted and community-driven crypto. The early success that this one did see was a rapid growth, with its market cap reaching over $1 billion within weeks. And this actually pushed it past the likes of Dogecoin. But much like every other meme coin we've spoken about, guys, these are extremely high risk. They have an uncertain future. They obviously fluctuate very significantly. They are susceptible to these volatile movements. Always do your own research with them. Do not take anything I've said in today's video as financial advice. Understand that these meme coins can do what they like, and you do stand to lose your full investment. I will continue to mention that. But Pepe, quite an interesting one. A fantastic level of growth this one has seen. If we take it over to the yearly, we can see 15,600% this one has had in gains. It is very, very interesting. With the full supply in circulation, it is quite a bullish thing for a meme coin. The market cap ever expanding to the upside, currently ranked 39th in terms of its market cap. Now again, this one is a widely available meme. Now, when I see these widely available, this tells me they've already seen a vast amount of their price discovery. But when we look at the charts for Pepe, Pepe just keeps on pumping. Very, very interesting to see this one continue its run to the upside. Is Pepe targeting to be the #1 meme coin? I don't think it will be. 𝗕𝗘𝗪 for me will stay the #1 meme coin going forward, but Pepe is very interesting. It is getting a lot of hype and a lot of push on socials, and I do think that will continue. We can see the price action within itself from its low back on the 17th of September 23. Yes, 1,559% on this KuCoin chart, and it does look like it's going to continue. The trend line I did have drawn on here, we did see 3 or 4 touch points from October 23, November 23, then of course December 23, then we had its breakout over here at the end of February. Finding a bit of resistance on this trend line, this has really popped to the upside from here. Where can this one continue to go? Well, the chances are that this is on a very impulsive movement overall, and I do think it still has momentum to the upside. The daily stochastic has reset, still has a little bit more to go in actual fact, currently around about 30%, so we could still see this pull back a little bit on the daily, perhaps filling out this fair value gap down to around about 76601. Then from there, Pepe is likely to have yet another run. But guys, be very cautious with these. Approach them with all the care you can. Do your own research. Understand the risks behind meme coins. You do stand to lose 100% of your investment. These are unbelievably volatile. Let's get on to the fourth one for tonight's video. And that is going to be one that's also quite interesting. This was highly requested in the comment section of the last video. We're obviously talking different ecosystems, and this is a meme coin on Cardano. This meme coin is called 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘. 𝗕𝗘𝗪 currently ranked 402nd by its market cap of just 152 million, currently at 0.2 of a cent, and we can see that this has grown over 1,200% as of its current date. Great growth this one has seen so far. We'll drop it down to the monthly. We can see for the month it is up less than other meme coins, just 89.8%. But this one is quite an interesting one. Launched on Cardano, This is classed as the leading meme coin on Cardano's blockchain, once again aiming to bring a bit of fun and lightheartedness to the Cardano network. And much like other memes, their main focus is on community, looking for the community to obviously engage together. And when they say the community to engage together, that's to collectively get together and drive these prices to the upside, one that I do think 𝗕𝗏 will continue to do. But the interesting part about 𝗕𝗏 is it is a deflationary meme coin, which means, much like other memes, this will burn some of its supply over time, which in turn could potentially increase its price, shrink that supply, increase the demand. Very interesting approach to this meme coin. They have stated, the team, in time that they are trying to make this more of a meme, more than a meme coin, much like 𝗕𝗏𝗪𝗓, that they want to make it a cultural symbol within the Web3 space and in the Cardano ecosystem. So it is one to, definitely keep your eyes on, follow what's going on with 𝗕𝗏. It has had fantastic price growth so far. Getting into this around about 0.09 of a cent, you would have had a fantastic run to the upside. Now, with it being on Cardano, it's obviously not getting as much exposure as others, but I do think this one has got a bit of potential for price growth still to come. But once again, much like all other meme coins, understand that these are unbelievably high risk. You do stand to lose 100% of your investment. They do react very quickly with certain things that happen. They're very volatile, guys. Approach them with caution. I hope you're not getting bored of me saying that, but it feels like I'm going to have to say it on every one. Now, we can see that this is listed in less places than the other meme coins, so perhaps this one still has a bit of discovery still to come. When we look at the centralized pairings, we can see that not too many centralized exchanges have this one listed yet. The bigger ones, the likes of Gate.io, BitGet, MEXC, LBank. So there are some centralized, but the big ones have not really got onto this, the likes of Binance and such. Decentralized, we obviously know, the likes of MinSwap, WingRiders and such, it is available there. But an interesting meme coin with a deflationary process built on Cardano. This one could be getting interesting, a very low market cap, an interesting supply, all of it almost on the market. I will be keeping my eyes on this one, a meme coin on Cardano. I may just explore this, try to perhaps have a meme coin on every ecosystem. So there we go. There's the fourth one for tonight's video. Let's get on to the fifth and final meme. And that is going to be another Solana based meme coin. And this one is called Solama or Solama. Now, another interestingly new meme coin to market. This one we can see has had a tremendous bit of growth, over 6,300% to date for this month. A very low market cap once again, ranked 522nd by market cap of 79 million. With the supply once again almost fully on the market, we can see this has had a tremendous drive so far, from around about 0.35 cent going up as high as 13 cents. This one has had great discovery so far, and I do believe this one still has more in it. Starting to see it getting pushed more on social media every day. Only available on Bitmart and Bitrue in terms of centralized. Decentralized, we know we can get that on the likes of Raydium, Orca and Jupiter. So this one I don't think has had the discovery just yet. With a lack of centralized exchanges really exploring this one could get quite interesting. So it was launched on January 1st, 2024. This is getting a lot of attention and might just be one of the leading Solana based meme coins. Another one to maybe contemplate for the Solana ecosystem. It did achieve over 1800% in its first week of launch, so a lot of gains have already been seen, but potentially still has more to go. But unlike many meme coins on the market, this is emphasizing on reinvesting the profits back into the Solana ecosystem. The reinvestment might involve the likes of marketing, token buybacks, burns, and community rewards. So an interesting meme coin taking a different approach to the market. One very much on my radar. I'm interested to see how this one does perform. It has had fantastic gains so far and has already seen a fantastic pullback. If we look at its all time, it is up over 28,900%. So early investors in this one will be unbelievably happy. I do still think it has more in the tank. That market cap in itself has much more discovery in it, I do feel. But guys, Once again, let us know what you think of the meme coins in tonight's video. If there's any I have missed off, any you want to feature on next Monday's meme coin, put them in the comment section down below. And like added kicker, the person that comes up with my favourite meme coin in terms of name or potential, I will feature as first, and I will give you a shout out in next Monday's meme coin Monday. I hope you've enjoyed tonight's video, something a little bit different, guys. Please understand, these meme coins are high risk, high reward. You do stand to lose all of your investment when investing in meme coins. Be very cautious with these. And yesterday, Chris obviously covered off how to safeguard yourself in crypto. Ironic, we've just spoke about meme coins. That video is right here. Head on over and check it out.